What kinds of places require facilities management? It's more important than you might realize. Facilities management isn't just a fancy word in the business world, it's a crucial part of making sure any organization, whether it's large or small, runs smoothly. Think of it as the behind-the-scenes system that keeps everything in order while the business goes about its daily work. Think about it. Every organization has a physical presence, whether it's a sprawling campus, a multi-story office building, a manufacturing plant, or even a small retail store. Each of these places is a facility that needs care, maintenance, and management. Facilities management covers a wide range of responsibilities. It's about ensuring the comfort, safety, and efficiency of your facilities. It's about maintaining the physical assets and optimizing the use of space. It's about creating an environment where everyone can do their best work. So let's dive into what types of facilities require management. You might be surprised. So, what kind of facilities are we talking about here? Well, the list is quite extensive. Let's start with corporate buildings. These are often large structures housing hundreds, if not thousands, of employees. Facilities management here is crucial to ensure the building is safe, comfortable, and conducive to productivity. This could involve everything from maintaining HVAC systems to managing security protocols. Next up, we have hospitals. These are high-stakes environments where facilities management plays a critical role in patient care. It's not just about keeping the place clean, though that is incredibly important. It's also about ensuring medical equipment is functioning correctly, managing waste disposal, and even coordinating parking for visitors. Then we have schools. From kindergartens to universities, these institutions require diligent facilities management. Think about it. There's the maintenance of classrooms, laboratories, and athletic facilities. There's also the crucial aspect of safety, ensuring the school is a secure environment for students and staff alike. Malls are another type of facility where management is key. These bustling hubs of commerce require constant attention, ensuring escalators and elevators are in working order. Managing waste disposal and coordinating cleaning schedules are just a few aspects that fall under the umbrella of facilities management. Sports facilities, be it a local gym or a massive stadium, also require meticulous management. This can range from maintaining the condition of the playing surface to ensuring the safety of spectators. It's a diverse and challenging role, but essential to the smooth operation of the facility. Finally, let's not forget about public parks. These green spaces might not have walls and roofs, but they still require management. This involves everything from maintaining playground equipment to landscaping and waste management. As you can see, facilities management is a critical aspect in a wide range of setups, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. So, we've covered quite a bit of ground today, haven't we? Let's take a moment to recap all that we've learned. We started off with an introduction to facilities management, outlining its crucial role in ensuring our everyday spaces function smoothly. Whether it's planning, directing, maintaining, or improving, facilities management is the invisible force that keeps our environment safe and operational. Next, we dove into the diverse types of facilities that require effective management. From schools to hospitals, parks to office buildings, every facility has its unique needs and challenges. But no matter the type, facilities management is the key to creating and maintaining a comfortable, efficient, and safe environment. In conclusion, facilities management is an essential component that breathes life into our everyday spaces. It's the unsung hero behind the scenes, ensuring our facilities are well-maintained and efficient. So next time you're in a well-maintained park, a clean school, or an efficient hospital, remember the hard work of facilities management that makes it all possible. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you've learned something new about the world of facilities management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks again for watching.